Hi, welcome to Sushi Sang Lee first episode. My name is Sang Lee. I'm going to show you how to make sushi rice. So rice is definitely the most important part of sushi. Actually, rice looks simple, but it's very complicated to make the perfect sushi rice. And a lot of people try to make sushi at home, but they're having a hard time because the rice doesn't come out well. I brought Nishiki medium grain rice. This is the most popular brand you can get anywhere in the US. So the first step is you gotta measure the rice. So I'm gonna prepare 400 grams of rice. Okay? And first, washing. I'm gonna put water into the bowl first. And I'm gonna dip it in. And quick rinse. The reason I put water first, because there's so much starch and dust on this rice. I want to rinse it quick so the rice doesn't touch the dirty water a long time. Discard the water. Second time, put a little bit of water. You're hand polishing it. Be gentle so the rice doesn't crack. Once the rice touches the water, it gets soft. Okay, after hand polish, rinse it off. And do one more time. A little bit of water. After that, 3 more times, just rinse, no hand polish. So now rice is very soft. So if you hand polishing it now, it's so easy to break the rice. Okay. After that, you have to keep this rice in the cold running water. But we are outside, so we don't have running water right now, but you could, if you're at home, just keep this under the sink, keeping the running water for 10 minutes. So I'll just keep in the water for 10 minutes. And now we're gonna prepare a sushi vinegar. So the amount of vinegar is quarter amount of rice. So we're cooking 400 grams of rice, so we're gonna need 100 grams of vinegar. This is a rice vinegar. Some people confuse between like rice wine vinegar, but it's not rice wine vinegar, rice vinegar. So 100 gram. And salt. And then mix. Try to not use the metal bowl. Non-metal is better because vinegar doesn't go well with metal. If you like sweeter, you can put more sugar. I would suggest a same amount of salt. But it's been 20 minutes since we are air drying rice. So the rice is nice and soft, so it's ready to cook. Now we have to measure water, the perfect amount of water. So every rice has different water ratio. So I always go for the even amount of water with rice. So I'm gonna prepare a 400 grams of water. Okay, so 400 grams of water. So I'm gonna use a electric rice cooker, but I use gas rice cooker at the restaurant because stronger heat makes better rice. Put water in. Rice and water's in. So the rice is ready. The timing is very important. When it's hot, you have to pour vinegar on top, so this acidity from the vinegar could evaporate with the steam from the rice. Alright. And also the bottom part and side part is overcooked, so make sure you take those bottom and side parts off. Okay. Then now I'm gonna pour vinegar. Okay, when you pour vinegar, do a little bit, little by little, about half, and then break it, and the rest pour all over. Now this is mixing part. It's very important, which is you only have like 3 minutes. You have to mix quick and all evenly mix. Make sure all the chunks break. And if you touch rice too much, it gets sticky because all the starch comes out. So the mixing is done. We're gonna move to a warmer. So this is a rice, sushi rice ready. Alright, every rice is different, so remember, even amount of water and rice, try first and then see how it comes out, and then you can adjust the water second time. Please enjoy and thank you for watching. I'm Sushi Sang Lee. I'll see you next time.